Okay, we'll look up now. That was 15 minutes, so you should have that one finished. Guys, we're going to look at this one now. So we have two curves and a line. And the first thing we want to do is find P. And what's so great about P? So the two curves which intersect at point P. Alright, so it's where the 1 over x and the 8x squared intersect. Yeah. 1 over x, oops, sorry. 1 over x equals 1 over 8x squared. Yeah? Cross multiplying, I get this.
X squared over
X, 8x minus 1, isn't it?
no, X squared
Is it? Oh, I see. Okay. So it's 1/8 of x squared. So that means 8 equals x cubed. So that means x equals 2. And that means y equals a half.
Yeah.
So it's 2.5 is the p. Okay. Ah, no. 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 You know how. You sub it back in. Where was I? Find the equation of L. What do we know about L? Is it a normal? Oh, it's a tangent to the 1 over x curve. So m equals dy dx, which equals minus 1 over x squared, which is minus 1 over 4. So y equals mx plus c. Sub the p in to get the c. A half equals minus a half plus c. C equals 1. So y equals minus a quarter x plus 1. That's the line. Let me guess. The next question is, where does this line cross the x-axis?
Yes.
See what they're doing there. So we make y equal to 0. So x equals 4.
Yeah.
And y equals 0.
Yeah.
That's where it crosses the x-axis. So then is the last part, what's the area?
No, second last.
Oh, there's this part after that.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I go back here, I want all this area. If I just do a rough sketch. What's it? It's like this. And then it's down like this, isn't it? And then it's like this. So we want this area. So what I'll do is I'll get all of this area under 1 over x, and then subtract this triangle. Now, how tall is this triangle?
1 over 2.
Is it? Yeah, 1 over 2. And how wide is this triangle?
2.
No.
Not
2 is from here to here.
No.
Here to here.
That's 4.
Oh yeah, sorry, you're right, it's 2. Yeah, sorry. I just really wanted you to be wrong, that's all. Alright, so that's 2. So the area of this triangle is half the base by the height. So the area of the triangle is
1 over 2.
1 over 2 for the triangle. So the area we want is integrate from 2 to 4, is it? 1 over x
Yeah.
dx minus a half. The full area minus the triangle. Log x 2 to 4.
64.
Is it? It's from here. Is this not 2?
That's 2. And
Is that not 4?
oh,
Oh, sorry, it's to the end, isn't it? Thank you, thank you. 2 to 6. Log 3 minus a half is the answer. So what's the last part? Oh, so you want to know when those two curves are perpendicular to each other. So how can I get that?
I don't know.
I don't.
Yes, Dasha, you had an idea?
And also because will be -1.
Sorry, let me just write the two curves down. 1 over x and 1 over 8x squared. How can we find when they're perpendicular? And how do we find the gradient?
By derivation.
Yeah. Say again? dy dx. dy dx is minus 1 over x squared. dy dx for this one is 1/4 x. And when are they perpendicular? They're perpendicular when their product -1. The minuses cancel. You get 1 over 4x needs to equal 1. So that means x has to equal 1/4. And y has to equal 4. Okay. Easy peasy.
Oh.
See?
What's the formula? And y times m2 is -1.
Why do you ask me questions you know the answer to? Okay.
I mean, we didn't learn.
Didn't we? Didn't we do a lesson called parallel and perpendicular? It was the second lesson in week 1.
Oh, okay.
You know? Wasn't it the second lesson in week 1? Literally the second lesson, right? Okay, you got that?
No.
Okay, I'll give you a minute to write it down. Let me just number them, sorry. A was up to getting the P, wasn't it? And then B was up to getting the line. And then C was getting the x-intercept. Then D was getting the area. And finally E was getting the perpendicular point. Off the phones. Are you writing this down? So get off the phone and write this down. Will you?
Yeah.
How will I know you will? You better. I'm counting on it. Okay. Okay. You got that?
Yeah.
Yep. So we've done 6 section B questions. I want to do some more section B, but I think just for a change we'll do some section A's now. Yeah? Is the section B too intense for you? Is it?
Especially in the morning.
Can I close this?